Now that you know a little more about the industry and your role, let's go over what you'll actually learn in this training. This course is designed to give you the big picture: how the Christmas light business works, what you're selling, and how to sell it confidently. We'll cover things like what products and decorations are used in most jobs, where companies usually get their supplies, how to measure homes and create mock-up photos, how to write clear quotes, and how to explain the value of the service. You'll also learn how to find leads, respond to customers, handle objections, and pass off jobs to your install team. Here's what's important to understand. This course gives you a foundation, the skills and knowledge that apply to most Christmas light companies. Once you finish this training, your company will guide you through the next steps, like how they organize jobs, how pricing works, and what tools or software they use. Your job is to learn these core principles now. So when it's time to jump into the real work, you're ready,